In life's forge, you begin as forged metal molded by relentless heat. A cycle emerges, heat and hammering. This unyielding rhythm is your sculptor. As flames devour the darkness, they breathe life into unyielding iron. With each strike of the hammer, impurities fall away, shaping the core within. Under constant pressure, strength crystallizes, forging identity in the crucible of trials. Every hammer blow signs a pact, the transmutation from chaos into harmonious order. In the forge's embrace, raw potential converts into graceful manifestation of design. As the forge cools, the newly forged weapon reflects the hardships endured. In every scar and shimmer lies a tale of grit against relentless endeavors. You emerge from the forge stronger, armed with the wisdom of endurance,